Hi! Today, a quick tutorial on how to set the date and time in an Opel Astra H. Turn on the ignition. Press the settings button. Use the arrows to select the system option and confirm by pressing OK. Next, press the OK button twice. Use the arrows to set the correct hour and press OK. Now, use the arrows to set the correct minute and confirm with OK. All done. To exit the settings, press the settings button a few times. Subscribe for more.